Gonna try to do a little power brooming, but the back tire's flat on the 18G here, so let's see if I can pump this sucker up. All right, we got the flat tires aired up here. Let's see if we can start this turd. It's been a while since we started it. I don't know, let's see what we got. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. I'm talking. I don't know how much gas is in the gas tank. Barely any. I'll put some gas in it. Going over some really weird ground here. It's hard to keep the brush adjusted the right way when you're going up a hill or not up a hill, or digs in on the left and not on the right. So I live on a dirt road, and when the town plows it in the winter, all this gravel comes onto the front lawn. They're a bunch of stones, they're like 1-inch diameter, and the power broom here is key to launching those suckers back into the road and not having to rake them by hand. But you see my ground is not very even here by the road. It's not ideal for the broom, but it sure beats a rake. Try and take it easy. I don't want to rip up all the little bit of grass that I have. So trying to barely touch it, just enough to get the stones out of the lawn. Oh, dude. Wind always blows it right back in your face. Just like snow blowing. Well, at least I got this cab to help out with that. Just destroying the whole ground. Destroying it. We got pine cones, we got grass, we got gravel, we got dirt. The finished product here. Broom worked real good. Hit the end of the driveway here too. Got all stones off the driveway. And this is where we got this uneven turf that's hard to get to, but it worked good. I'm happy with it. Got all these idiots that drive their cars on the grass here because the road isn't very wide. Here's a stone I missed. But I'm happy with it. Again, I should have went over here by the wall where all these leaves were, but it's a little damp, so I didn't want to do it. But the thing really worked great. So the key to this whole power broom is that you have to have a tractor that the power broom's on all the time, because when you don't have to hook it up, it makes it a lot easier to actually use it. You broom for like less than 5 minutes, but if you had to hook it up and all that stuff, it would have been like an hour project for me. So I never would have done it. I would have just used a rake. So you need to have one tractor for each attachment. That's a Gravely dream.